Today is Sunday, so what you just heard was church. This is what churches are like in Ghana. Slightly different to churches in England. Churches in Europe in general, I think. It's a little bit different. Today my brother found a nature spot whilst walking, so we're going to go there today, have a look. Apparently there are no cars, like no car sounds or anything, no sounds of civilization, so I think it'll be very, very interesting to go to today, and that's where we're going to go to. It's a very warm day. As usual, everyone is looking towards me because I'm a white guy with a camera. Oh well. Feels like about 30 degrees, or maybe, I think it's probably more like 28 at the moment, but surely it feels like it's going to turn out to be like 30 degrees, 32. I'm not sure. We've climatized to this heat completely. Look at the church there. It has no roof. Fantastic. Leaving the village now. End up buying a boiled egg. Just fancy a bit of protein. Very hot. I can just see the sweat in the reflection of the camera lens. I'm trying to stop myself from getting spots, so I'm not going to touch it too much, get dirt into my skin. Now approaching the countryside. Another half-finished house by the looks of things. We are approaching the mountain there which we've been following, that really big mountain, and when you get really close to it, it's like, oh my gosh, wow. Look at the size of that boulder. Definitely now left civilization. Wow, it's so beautiful around here. We're literally in the countryside right now. Beautiful. Leaving civilization for a short amount of time feels nice. We've definitely left civilization now. Past a few of the locals walking around. But we're going to try and walk further. Walked a long way. So nice round here. You can hear the loudness of one of the churches in the distance. Apart from that, just nature, peace, serenity, tranquility. I wonder what they are growing. Small path or the wide path? I don't know, they both go in the same direction. I say small, we go to the small. I wonder how long it will be before we lose the sounds of the church. It's just mad to think how loud that church is. It's like a big party, a big Ghanaian party, which is just church on a Sunday morning. It's just different, you know, completely different. I'm taking lead. These trees are so huge. Gosh. I remember once when I went to Denmark and thought the trees were tall. So I finally made it to Denmark. These trees are really tall. I don't know what it is about these trees, but they're so tall. I don't know, Danish trees are naturally taller than English trees, I don't know. Trees here, even bigger. It's like we're walking into a jungle. This way, I lead. I think we're definitely going up the hill now, that big hill. Oh yes, looking forward to the views. Oh. I think we're at the top, chaps. Just be careful, these rocks are slippery. By a valley down there. These rocks, oh my gosh. Right, I have to do this very carefully. If the vlog just ends here, it's because I've fallen over and died, okay? I'm just kidding. You can see the lake over there. Oh, yeah. The lake. Sounds of the church now. It's just nature to accompany us. Although I think I can hear someone down there. Oh. Wow, this is a great walk, and I'm pretty sure I'm sweating all over. I think I'm producing so much sweat, I'm bound to pass out any moment now. It's good, hey? It's nice, it's a good place. So quiet around here. We've found ultimate peace. No sounds of cars, no sounds of civilization, no sounds of churches. It's amazing. It's nice. We've done it. Wow. Look at those rocks. I don't think I've ever achieved this. Just the sounds of nature, no sounds of civilization. Peace, serenity, tranquility. just beautifulness. Back now to go and get some food, water. Don't know what all this is. It looks like they're clearing out something. The ground here is very strange. You can definitely tell that when it really downpours in the rain season, it's just going to be flooded everywhere. I feel my energy dropping lower and lower, but got to keep going on, keep going up the hill. Before I know it, I'll be back in civilization. I've got a very small bit of water left, which we've been sort of scrounging a bit, and we're very hungry, but it's okay. It's more of a mental thing. Just got to know that you'll be fine, and you can make it, and you will. By a church there. Some strange noises coming from that church.